Buddy, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing some off-trail exploration of some waterfalls, and I'm near the Carolina Hemlocks Recreation area, which is right near Burnsville, North Carolina, off of Highway 80. So I don't want to disclose the exact location because I don't want to be responsible for people coming out here and getting lost or injured. So I'm going to show you guys everything I can. If you want to know more information, you could always comment on the video and I'll see what I could provide as far as information. But again, I do not want to be responsible for anyone getting lost or injured. I found this hike from a well-known author, Kevin Adams, online, and it's not an official hike. It is more of an off-trail route exploring some hidden waterfalls. I will disclose the names of the waterfalls, and you guys are welcome to find out all you can and do the research like I did. But again, I don't want to be responsible for anyone having any mishaps out here, so follow along. Look at these colors. I'd say fall's really popping. Don't waste the opportunity, folks. Get out while it's still here. I'm following the creek here. I'm on this path here that has no name. Nice little campsite here on this unmaintained trail. All right, from up here on the path, I could see a waterfall down there, so I'm going to scramble down and get a look at it, and I'll show it to you guys when I get there. It's the first waterfall. Hopefully I'll see them all. I don't remember the name of this one, but I'll put the name in the video. I think this is Lower Middle Creek Falls, if I'm not mistaken. It's a big one, but I can't get any closer. It's really deep water between me and the base of the waterfall, and the rocks on the sides are slick and steep, so I'm better off just staying where I'm at. All right, so I'm taking a break here at this campsite that I passed earlier. So I didn't continue to all those named waterfalls that were on the creek. I stopped short because it was getting to be too challenging walking the creek. I should have stayed on the path like the directions told me to, but I thought it would be a little easier just to walk the creek instead of going back and forth down the hill, back up the hill, just to scramble down to the creek to see several waterfalls that were named. So I guess the waterfalls that I had seen, judging by the pictures on the guide, Kevin Adams' guide online, I guess they were unnamed waterfalls. So, I mean, they were still cool, but I don't have the time or the energy to press on because that was a butt kicker walking along the creek, scrambling up and down rocks. So anyway, I'm just taking a break here, eating some keto cups, trying to gather my energy up and head back to the car. It'll probably be the better part of 7 miles for a day hike. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. I got another trip scheduled next week. All goes according to plan, the weather holds. I may do a backpacking trip, and I'll let you guys know as the time approaches. Thanks for watching.